Students, poem Nature's Friend. Let us read out the poem once again. Say what you like, all things love me. I pick no flowers, that wins the bee. The summer's moth think my hand won to touch their wings with wind and sun. The garden mouse comes near to play. Indeed, he turns his eyes away. The wren knows well I rob no nest. When I look in, she still will rest. The hedge stops cows, or they would come after my voice right to my home. The horse can tell straight from my lip. My hand could not hold any whip. Say what you like, all things love me. Horse, cow and mouse, bird, moth and bee. Written by W.H. Davies. Let us solve the exercises. Glossary words. Meaning of some words in the poem. Hedge, H-E-D-G-E, hedge. A line of bushes planted along the edge of the lawn in front of the poet's house. Wren, W-R-E-N is wren is a name of a bird, a small brown bird. M-O-T-H, moth is a large winged insect like butterfly. Now discuss the points raised in these questions with your partner and write down what you say. A. The poem begins with the words, say what you like. What does this expression mean? You may believe me or not. B. You may like what I say or not like it. C. Dash and I will get it for you. D. Tell me what you want to say. Answer is C. Say what you like and I will get it for you is the right answer. C is the answer. What does that in line 4 refers to? What does that in the 4 line? In the 4 line is I pick no flowers, that wins the bee. Here that is flower. Answer is flower. That wins the bee. So the bee is defeated. True or not? True. Not true. Here the bee is defeated. No. Because the poet is not harming any animals and insects. Here he let the flowers for the bees. Here bee is not defeated. It is not true. Think about the meaning of second stanza. Which of the meanings given below is correct? I touch the moth's wings as delicately as wind and the sun. Is it correct? Or only I touch the moth's wings? In this, which one is correct? First one is correct. I touch the moth's wings as delicately as wind and sun is the correct. First one is the correct answer. What did the poet do to turn the mouse's eyes away? Question number E. The poet was playing to turn the mouse's eyes away. He was playing with the mouse. The poet was playing to turn the mouse's eyes away. F. Why has the wren become the poet's friend? Question number F. The poet will not rob the eggs or the nests from the chicks from the wren's nest, so it has become the poet's friend. Question number G. The poet tells us animals love voices and faces of people. What example does he give? He gives examples of the hedge stops cow, ride to my house, ride to my house. The hedges of cows ride to my home. The horse can tell, hold any whip. So these are the examples that he has given for the examples for the voices of people is loved by animals like cow and buffalo, goats, even monkeys and horse. The hedge stops cows right to my home. The horse can tell, hold any whip. Is the answer. So write all these in your English notebook. Here is a work for you children from the page number 76. Discuss with your friend how to do this exercise. Write down the words in the blanks. It is about Salumarada Timmakka. It is a lady who is called as nature's friend. Okay. She was growing many trees along the roadsides. So she is called as nature's friend. She is about more than 100 years old lady. Now you have to write about her and fill up the blanks here. Okay. This is the homework for you. So write all these question answers in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.